Hello, good morning, happy day. Well, yesterday in court, 11/3/2006, everybody has indicated that they are on this YouTube, which quite interesting because it's not tagging all of the numbers YouTube. But keep going for me because it's really helping out with catching these judges. Anyways, so they said they're on this YouTube. Well, today is November 4th, 2016. This is your legal notice. It is legal. If you look up the rules of the court for subpoenas and notices, public notice is also one of them. So David Krockenberg, Deborah Eiler, Susan Middleton, Ron Hill, Sue Ramsgar, Scott Young, Donna DeJoseph, Samantha Bloodworth, and Kayla Bouvet, you are all being notified to contact OPRAH Gail Winfrey now. She is the power of attorney. She is required to be notified. Contact Michael Franti. Give him proper service in these cases. Contact Lenny KRAVITZ, John Mayer, as it all stipulates. You cannot arrest somebody. You cannot tell them how their will or their power of attorney can be done. It's illegal. It's a crime. These things were all investigated by CMHIP. They've all been listed in the DA's evidence. They were all done a long time ago. And so now for you to say it's delusional, no doctor or any other facility who's had these have ever indicated that there is mental illness. So, by legal notice, you are required to call OPRAH Gail Winfrey. And her contact information is also in the courts. And so you need to pull it. Here is your notice. David Krockenberg, you committed a crime yesterday in mandating that my power of attorney is no good because you're saying mental illness. However, I have mental reports saying I do not have mental illness. And I have 4 different doctors telling me in writing and in recordings that there is no mental illness. You cannot alter, change, or mandate or duress a person by trying to get them to change their will or their power of attorney, or trying to mandate that they're mentally ill to try to alter or change their will to their estate or their power of attorney because you don't like it. That's a crime, David Krockenberg. It's all recorded November 3rd, 2016. Sir, you committed a major crime. I will be reporting, and I'm sure that OPRAH Gail Winfrey will be suing you. Just for a notice, I can't say that yes or no. I cannot affirm it. It's just a hypothesis at this time. But I do know her character, sir, and I do know that you violated her rights, and her rights are very important to her. You need to call her. Pick up the phone and call them. And the state has the burden of proof to prove me wrong. So call Lenny KRAVITZ, ask him if it's a delusion. Call John Mayer, ask him if it's a delusion. Call Michael Franti, ask him if this is a delusion. And call Oprah Winfrey, because Michael has not filed one thing in this court case. Michael Franti has not stated one thing, nor his attorney. There is not one document in this case, and not one phone call. There is no report with the Sheriff's Department, not one. David Krockenberg, you are delusional. And you want to talk about delusional? You are delusional. You're calling me a customer. I am not a customer. Supreme Court has mandated you cannot call me a customer. You are not operating a business, and your courts have stipulated you're operating a business. This is not a business, sir. And yet you want to tell me I'm delusional and that I can't proceed in court? It's very clear by your recordings that you are not capable of hearing this case. And so I'm going to ask you to recuse. This is your legal notice. This is Dr. Woodick. Today is November 4th, 2016, and there are way more people watching this than you could ever imagine. As the state has the burden of the proof, please call them today. Thank you. Bye-bye. You have 21 days to call OPRAH Gail Winfrey.